And we'll build this love from the ground up, for worse or for better. And I will be all you need. Beside you I'll stand, through the good and the bad. I will give all that we have, and we'll build this love from the ground up. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come up with new videos, and so more people will see the videos. And this is how to play From the Ground Up by Dan Shay. Super great song. This was requested. So if you guys have song requests, let me know in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can. I'm a little bit backed up, but I'm doing all I can, all right? So you're going to have, it's going to be in standard tuning. You're going to have a capo on the 2nd fret, all right? So you're only going to use 4 chords for this song, okay? The ones that we're going to use, you're going to use G. And it doesn't matter which G you use here. I like using this G better than this one just for this song. Well, depending on the song, but because if you do it this way, it's really easy to transition down to D. You don't have to, but it's just easy. So, and you will do that at times. So you're gonna use this G, which if you don't know how to play that, you're gonna put your pinky on the 3rd fret on the little E string. Your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. Your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string. And your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret, if you can see that there, on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, you're also going to play E minor. The way that I play E minor is you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then the rest is just open. All right, then you're going to do C. C goes, your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret. This is all in relation to the capo, by the way. On the 3rd fret on the A string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on, if you can see that there, goes on the 1st fret on the B string. All right, then next you're gonna do D. For D, all right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your middle finger, all right, on the 2nd fret on the little E string. You're gonna put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? And then I mute the big E string with my thumb, but you don't have to. Okay, so those are the 4 chords you're gonna use for the song. I'm gonna show you the strumming pattern, and then I'm gonna show you where, like the chord progression and where you play the chords for the verses and for the chorus, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with G. For the intro, it's G, then D, E minor, okay? Then you do C, G, D. So it's down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay. So after you do C, you go back to G. Okay. So you do C, G. All right. And you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Now, if you want to, when you play this, you can just play it like you would the verses, okay? With the intro, but that's how the intro is played. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with G, and for the verses, I would play it softer than you play the chorus, because for the verses, the song builds a lot, and if you're just playing by yourself, it's gonna, or just 4 people by yourself on your acoustic guitar, it's gonna sound better if you kind of like go softer and then you build it up. All right, so you're gonna do G is on grandma, okay? You do grandma and grandpa painted a picture, okay? Picture is D. Picture of 65. Of 65 is where you do E minor. Of 65 years in one little house. More is C, okay? More than a memory, more than saying I do. Kiss, okay, kiss is D. Kiss you goodnight and I love yous. Okay, so after that you go back to G. Me is G. Me and you, baby, will walk in their footsteps. Okay, footsteps is D. So you're just gonna do D, footsteps on D on footsteps for just a little bit. Footsteps will build, okay? Wheel is E minor. We'll build our own family one day at a time. Okay, then you do 10 little ones is C. 10 is C, okay? 10 little toes. Sorry, I said little ones, but it's toes. 10 little toes. painted pink room. Okay, then you do our beautiful is going to be D. Our beautiful baby looks just like you and we'll build. Okay, so then when you get to the chorus, you're just going to go straight into it. You're just going to go from that D to G. And we'll build. Okay, we'll build is G. We'll build this. You're just doing the same thing. That's just that down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're going to do and we'll build. But notice this, if you do this, if you play it like this, all right? So you do, our beautiful baby looks just like you, and we'll build this love from the ground up. So you get louder as you go into the chorus, all right? That'll just give it more like flair and stuff. So you do, and we'll build. Okay, build. We'll build is G. Build this love from the ground. Ground is E minor. Ground up. Now till forever it's all is C, okay? All of me, all of you. Just take my hand and okay, I'll is D. I'll be the man your dad hoped that I'd be. And we'll build. Okay, then you go back to G is and we'll build. And we'll build this from the ground. From the ground is E minor. From the ground up. For worse or for better. And okay, I is C. I will be all you need. Beside you I'll stand. Through the good and through the good. Good is D. Good and the bad. We'll give all that we have. Okay, so you're gonna stay on D for that. All that we have and we'll build. Okay, you do and we'll build is C. We'll build this love. Okay, love is D. Love. And then you're gonna do that and just do a single strum. Love from the ground up. Okay, then you're on up. You're gonna do G. Up. Okay, then when you go to the second verse, you're just going to start playing it a little softer, and you go back into it straight from G. This life will go by in the blink of an eye. Okay, so then you're going to play the second verse like you did the first one. Second chorus is the same. After the second chorus, excuse me. All right, there's a part where you're just going to keep playing without any lyrics for just a few seconds. All right, like 15 seconds or something. So you're just going to play the same chord progression. You're going to do G. All right, but with no lyrics. Okay, then you do E minor. All right, then you do C, and then D. Okay, and then you're gonna go into the last chorus. I would just play it once, but you can play it twice if you want to, I guess. But then you're gonna go into the last chorus where you just kind of play it like half the stuff. All right. So you're only gonna play like half the lyrics, and we'll build this, and you just go into the G, the end, and then when you end it, I would just end it on something like that, just a single strum on the G. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun learning this song. If you guys have other requests, just please let me know because I love learning them. All right, thanks guys.